Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Stripe. First, navigate to the Stripe website and locate the Sign Up button. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address, your full name, and to create a secure password. After submitting this information, Stripe will send a verification email. Be sure to check your inbox and click the link to activate your new account and proceed with the setup process. Next, you'll need to provide essential business information. This includes your business type, its legal name, and your physical address. You'll also enter details for the business representative, which often involves personal identification for verification purposes. Finally, connect your bank account. This is crucial for receiving payouts, so have your routing and account numbers ready to ensure a smooth and accurate setup. Once your business details are submitted, complete any final verification steps Stripe may require. Then, navigate to your developer settings to find your API keys. You'll need both your publishable key and your secret key. These keys are essential for integrating Stripe into your website or application. Carefully copy and paste them into the appropriate fields to enable secure payment processing for your customers. Before going live, utilize Stripe's test mode to simulate transactions. This allows you to ensure everything is working correctly without processing real money. Once you're confident, switch your account to live mode to begin accepting actual payments from your customers. Remember to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals and resources. Happy selling!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.